Welcome to our delivery management app demo. This app is designed to empower delivery personnel to efficiently manage their daily assigned orders. With this app, delivery person can view their assigned orders, navigate to the delivery locations using provided addresses, and complete deliveries with ease. The app allows for flexibility, enabling delivery person to make full or partial delivery as needed. Let's take a closer look at how the app works and explore its key features. So first we will create one sale order and save. Let's confirm this order, and here my delivery order has been created. Let's navigate to the delivery order. Here I have to assign a delivery boy. I am assigning to this order as Mitchell admin. Let's save. And now we will navigate to the mobile screen and I will log in with admin. Let's log in. Yes, so here I can see my delivery order that has been assigned to me. I can filter from here. By default the date will be selected as today, and here only pending orders will be listed. Let's deliver this order. So person can call or view for the direction, and the location will be open, and now I can click on direction and get the location, and I can even call the person. Now order summary has been displayed, and done quantity, order quantity is 4, and I am supposing that I am delivering full quantity order. If I have some notes to write, I have write some note, and let's slide to delivered. Then customer has to signature. Again I am signature and click on continue and done. The order is delivered successfully. Let's check in the Odoo. Let's refresh. Yeah, it's done. Then in note you can see order delivered before time, and below in attachment we will find customer signature with delivery slip with customer signature. So this is basic flow. Now suppose I want to create a delivery order with back order or partial delivery. For that let's create one new order. Let's confirm this order. Also delivery order has been created. Now I have to assign to this Mitchell admin and save. Now we will again go to the switch to the mobile app. Now refresh. Now I can see new order. Let's start. Here I can see 2 products with 3 quantities and 2 quantities. Now I want to make partial order. I supposed to deliver cabinet with doors of 3 quantities, but I am changing to 1, and also corner desk lab seat I want to deliver 1. This is what I type in the note, and let's slide it to deliver. Then customer has to signature. Again I am signature and click on continue, and this will ask to create a back order or not create back order or cancel. I will create back order. Let's create back order and done. This order has been delivered with updated quantity 1 and new back order generated. This one, new back order is generated, and here you can see back order of this order, parent order, right? So this is how we can manage back order plus delivery orders easily with this app. The app has a basic dashboard. When you log in and come to the home screen, you will see the 1 pending order and 5 completed orders. Total 6 orders to assign to you. Also here you have filter options. You can, like, I want to filter, then we can filter the data. Also, if I make delivery of today and I want to check any pending order left, then I can. Yes, this much I have pending orders. Also you have multiple language options. Let's say Spanish, French, Arabic, Chinese. Let's go with the Spanish. Yeah, you can see all things has been converted to Spanish. And also let's check with Arabic, translated in Arabic language. I will go with English again. Then you can see here my profile. There is nothing much data, name or email and password. That is also not editable. From here also you can see order history, and last option is logout. Let's log out. Yeah, this is done. Here is a quick demo of